So this is my YouTube channel. This is my website. So we can discuss about the association. Why we can associate with the website to YouTube channel to website. The main reason is called, if anybody come into user by YouTube channel can search any videos, they come into final one YouTube video to your website. The final one YouTube to your website. So that is purpose we're using for YouTube to website association. So that is very important for any website need for Google Webmaster Tool. Without Webmaster Tool, we can't associate with the YouTube channel to website. If anyone asks interview question, can I associate with the YouTube to website? It will be fail. What is the major issue? The major issue will be called the website does not have a Google Webmaster Tool. So after Google Webmaster Tool, copy this. In this, go to Video Manager. The option call is Channel. In this option call is Advanced. In this Advanced, the option call is just scroll down, associated with your website. So website will be HTTP or HTTPS. Both are important. Now click for Add. When it will be success, you have the webmaster is there. Then it will show him for pending. You does not have a webmaster tool. The website are very important from YouTube channel. Will drive your traffic, YouTube video to website purpose. That is called every YouTube channel video will drive traffic video to your website. Please note on this.